Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, Google's brand new AI model called Nano Banana. As you can see, it's already creating a lot of buzz online and for a good reason. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how Nano Banana works, show you how to start using it, and highlight some of the coolest things you can do with it. So stick around because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know everything you need to get started. So let's jump right in. So first off, how do you find and start using Nano Banana? It is actually really simple since Google added it into Google Gemini. So in your Google front page, you have these dots here, you press it and pick Gemini. And the best part is that it's completely free to try, although there are some usage limits. And if you want to access more generations and advanced features, you can always upgrade to Pro version. And for the Nano Banana model, we want to use the 2.5 Flash model. And to start using the model, we just click Try Image Editing with our best model, Nano Banana. With Nano Banana, you can create really professional looking commercial images for your products. For example, I have an AI generated picture of a perfume bottle called Something. Now I want to place it on a beach to give it a more stunning and eye-catching background, and Nano Banana makes this process super easy and the results look great. So let's do it. To add your own image, you just press the plus sign and upload files. And now the image of your product is uploaded. You can now give it a prompt. So I have my prompts ready written and I'm just going to copy and paste it. And let's see what the new Nano Banana does. And there it generated a picture of the product with a new background. And it was quite fast. And this is where Google really exceeded because it's really fast and you can actually place your products wherever you want and make it look very eye-catching. Let's say I have another product that I want to place on the same picture. With Google's Nano Banana, it can be done. So you again just press add files, upload file, and you upload your second picture of your product, and then you just type add this to the scene. And let's see what it does. And there you go, it added my other product to the scene. And it actually looks really nice. And one cool feature you can also do is to try different clothes on a character or yourself. So you just upload an image of yourself and try different clothes. So here I have an AI generated and I'm going to try different t-shirts on it. So again, I'm just going to add file and upload file. And I'm going to prompt add this shirt to this character. And there you have it, the character is wearing a red t-shirt, which is pretty cool that you can do these kind of things with the new Google Nano Banana. And that's it for the video. I hope you learned something new and I hope this was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe and see you next time.